Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a new web page using Notepad. If you go to Start and All Programs, go to Accessories, and then go to Notepad. Okay, now just type exactly what I have in here. You don't have to know all these codes yet, but you'll start typing the codes. If you get behind me, just pause the video and, catch up. But just make sure you take your time and type it exactly how it shows, or it might not show up for you. You don't have to know all these codes yet. I will go over them later in the course. This is called doing straight HTML, just using Notepad. It's on every Windows machine. I'm going to brainwash you a little bit with saying that this is the best class ever. Okay. Now this is the important part too about how to save it. And you go to File, and then go to Save. And you want to pick your H drive. And the file name, we're going to name it trial.html. The .html is important. Save as type, you want to go save it as under all files, not as a text file. And then click Save. Mine is already there, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Okay, then you want to minimize Notepad, okay? And I'm going to minimize my other things here. Now I want you to go double-click in the top left of your machine, your desktop. You'll see a picture of a computer. Double-click that, and then go to your H drive. Your screens will look like here first. Double-click your H drive, and then you should see your trial file in your home directory. Yours will be a little blue E for Internet Explorer. Mine, I'm using Mozilla. But it should be the same type of file. When you double-click it, then you should open it. It should look like this and should work. So it'll scroll along here saying this is the best class ever. Now, I want you to maximize your Notepad if it works. If it doesn't work, look at what I have here. Pause it, compare it to what your Notepad documents, what yours says, and then see what's spelled wrong or what's incorrect. If yours does work, then make some changes in it. Mess around with it a little bit. I'm going to choose my background color. You can change yours to see whatever you want it to, change your page around. You're not going to hurt it. I'm just going to change a couple things to see. I'm just going to mess around with it. That's how you learn. There's the bell. And so, go ahead and mess around with some of the settings. Once you've messed around with some of the settings, go ahead and File and go to Save. You've already got it saved, so just click Save. Minimize it again. And refresh your browser window and notice your changes. So now I changed my background to be black and I changed my text and all of that. So that's a little glimpse of how you make a simple, basic web page. Again, if yours is not working right, anything that changes, look back at this code and pause it and compare it to what you have and just make the changes that you need to make.